Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on physics. This session will be having 35 plus MCQs and all these questions are important and definitely help you in the examination. So watch the complete session guys, and if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our session with the first question. The question is, the weight of the human body is A option is maximum at the poles, B option is equal at all places on the earth's surface, C option is maximum at the equator, and D option is more in hilly area than in plains. So right answer is option A, that is the weight of the human body is maximum at the poles. Next question is weightlessness is A option is in the case of zero gravitation, B is when gravitation decreases, C option is in vacuum, and D option is none of the above. So right answer आएगा option A, that is in the case of zero gravitation. Next question is pieces of wood, iron and wax are dropped to the earth from equal heights. Which piece will reach the earth's surface at first? A option is wood, B is wax, C option is iron piece, and D is all these pieces will reach at the earth's surface at the same time. So right answer is option D, that is all will reach at the same time. Next question is an artificial satellite orbiting the earth does not fall down to the earth because the earth attraction. A option is non-existence at such a long distance. B is becomes ineffective due to moon's attraction. C option provides the necessary speed for its regular motion, and D is provides the necessary acceleration for its motion. So right answer is option D, that is provides necessary acceleration for its motion. Next question is who among the following had told even before the Newton that all objects are attracted toward the earth? A option is Aryabhatta, B is Varhamihira, C option is Buddhagupta, and D option is Brahmagupta. So right answer is option D, that is Brahmagupta. Next question is if the earth's force suddenly vanishes, which of the following results would be correct? A option is an object would have zero weight but the same mass. B is an object would have zero mass but the same weight. C option is both the mass and weight of an object would become zero. And D option is the mass of an object would increase. So right answer is option A, that is an object would have zero weight but the same mass. लिसन गाइस, जो वेट का फॉर्मूला होता है वो होता है वेट इक्वल टू मास इनटू ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. सो इफ द अर्थ फोर्स दैट इज ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स vanishes, then the weight will become zero and but the mass remains the same. Okay. Next question is the time period of a pendulum. A option is depends on the mass, B option is depends on the length, C option is depends on time, and D option is depends on temperature. So right answer is option B, that is depends on the length of pendulum. Next question is who propounded the universal law of gravitation? A option is Newton, B is Galileo, C option is Copernicus, and D option is Einstein. So right answer is option A, that is Newton. Next question is consider the following statements. First statement is the weight of an object is minimum at the equator. Second statement is the weight of an object is maximum at the poles. Third statement is the weight of an object decreases as we go up. And fourth is the weight of an object will be zero at the center of the earth. You have to choose the correct statement from the above. So right answer is option D, that is all these four statements are correct, right? Next question is astronaut can stand erect in vacuum because A option there is no gravity, B is the atmosphere has high viscous force, C option the solar wind exerts an upward force, and last option is the atmosphere is very low. So right answer is option A, that is there is no gravity. Next question is what will happen if an object is thrown with the speed of 8 km per second into a space? A option is it will go into space, B is it will fall back upon the earth, C option is it will begin to orbit the earth, and D option is it will burst. So right answer is option B, that is it will fall back upon the earth. Next question is earth moves in its orbit with the speed of about 4400 km per hour. Why don't we feel this tremendous speed? A option is we are much smaller in size than earth. B is our speed is zero relative to the speed of earth in its orbit. C option is the whole solar system is also moving, and D option is the earth gravity pulls us constantly towards the center of the earth. So right answer is option B, that is our speed is zero with respect to the speed of earth in its orbit. Okay. Next question is the acceleration due to gravity of a devastating earthquake will be. A option is greater than 550 centimeter per second square, B is greater than 750, C option is greater than 950, and D option is greater than 980 centimeter per second square. So right answer is option D, that is greater than 980 centimeter per second square. Next question is a satellite continues to revolve around the earth. Which of the following is the reason for its doing so? A option is centrifugal force, B is centripetal force, C is gravitational force or its absence, and D option is some other force. So right answer is option B, that is centripetal force. A satellite continues to revolve around the earth orbit because centripetal force is constantly working on it. Okay. Next question is, if an apple is left outside a revolving space shuttle, then it will be. A option is fall toward the earth, B is move with lesser speed, C option is move with space shuttle with the same speed, and D is move with higher speed. So right answer is option C, that is move with the space shuttle with the same speed. Next question is, the pendulum clocks become slower in summer because A option is days are longer in summer, B is there is friction in the coil, C option is the pendulum elongates, and D option is the weight of the pendulum changes. So right answer is option C, that is the pendulum elongates. Next question is, two balls, that is A and B, having weight 10 kg and 1 kg respectively. They are dropped simultaneously from the height of 20 meter. Okay, which of the following statement is correct? A option is A will reach the ground first, B ball will reach the ground first, C option is both will reach the ground first simultaneously, and D option is none of the above. So right answer is option C, that is both will reach the ground simultaneously. और हम इसी सेम कंसेप्ट पे जो है प्रीवियस जो है क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, क्योंकि इसका जो है वेट से कोई लेना देना नहीं होता। अगर आप किसी भी चीज़ को हैविंग डिफरेंट वेट्स अगर सेम हाइट से नीचे की तरफ अर्थ की तरफ फेंकोगे तो वो सेम ही टाइम पर जो है अर्थ पर पहुंचेगी। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, एन अर्थ सैटेलाइट मूव्स इन इट्स ऑर्बिट continuously. This is due to the effect of the centrifugal force obtained from A option is the rocket engine that launched the satellite, B option is the Earth's gravity acting on the satellite, C option is the sun's gravitation force acting on the satellite, and D option is the gravitational force of the satellite acting on the Earth. So right answer is option B, that is the Earth's gravity acting on the satellite. Next question is, what is the reason for the absence of atmosphere on moon? A option is it is close the earth, B is it receives light from the sun, C option is it orbits the earth, and D option is on it the escape velocity of the gas molecule is less than their root mean square velocity. So right answer is option D, that is on moon the escape velocity of the gas molecule is less than the root mean square velocity. Next question is, when will man sitting inside a lift feel himself heavier? A option is when the lift is moving rapidly, B is when the lift is coming down rapidly, C option is when it is moving up with uniform velocity, and D option is when the lift is coming down with uniform velocity. So right answer is option A, that is when the lift is moving up rapidly, then the man sitting inside the lift feel himself heavier. Next question is, the Leaning Tower of Pisa doesn't fall because A option is it tapers at the top, B is it covers a wide base area, C option is its center of a gravity is at the lowest position, D option is the vertical line passing through the center of gravity lies within the base. So right answer is option D, that is the vertical line passing through the center of gravity lies within the base of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay. Next question is, a pendulum clock can run quicker in A option is summer, B is winter, C option is in spring season, and D option is in rainy season. So right answer is option B, that is in winter season. Next question is, if the distance between the sun and the earth were double of what it is, then the gravitation of the sun on the earth would be. A option is double of what it is now, B option is 4 times of what it is now, C option is 1/4 of what it is now, and D option is half of what it is now. So right answer is option C, that is it becomes 1/4, right? Next question is, when the object is dropped from a height, its weight is. A option is 0, B is unchanged, C is changing, and D option is all are wrong. So right answer is option B, that is unchanged. Next question is the escape velocity of the earth is. A option is 15.0 km per second, B is 21.1 km per second, C option is 7.0 km per second, and D option is 11.2 km per second. So right answer is option D, that is escape velocity of the earth is 11.2 km per second. And one more important point, that escape velocity of the moon is 2.4 km per second. Okay. Next question is the principle of the working of the washing machine is. A option is centrifugation, B is dialysis, C is reverse osmosis, and D option is diffusion. So right answer is option A, that is centrifugation, right? Next question is which physical quantity is obtained by the ratio of momentum and the velocity of matter. A option is velocity, B is acceleration, C option is mass, and D option is force. So right answer is option C, that is mass. Next question is, as soon as the train starts, the head of the passenger seated inside it leans backward. Its reason is. A option is inertia of rest, B is inertia of motion, C option is moment of inertia, and D option is conservation of mass. So right answer is option A, that is inertia of rest. Next question is, which of the following is a vector quantity? A option is time, B is speed, C option is displacement, and D option is distance. So right answer is option C, that is displacement. Here I mentioned all the quantities, so please pause the video and read these all because एग्जाम में जो है कई बार इन पर भी क्वेश्चन बनता है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट वन है. सो आपको सभी याद रखना है कि दैट विच वन इज द स्केलर क्वांटिटी एंड विच वन आर द वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. ओके. Next question is, a simple machine help a person. A option is in doing less work, B is doing an equal amount of work using less force, C option is doing the same work slowly, and D option is doing the same work quickly. So right answer is option B, that is doing an equal amount of work using less force. Next question is, force is the product of. A option is mass and velocity, B option is mass and acceleration, C option is weight and velocity, D option is weight and acceleration. So right answer is option B, that is mass and acceleration. Next question is, which form of energy changes into electric energy in wind power? A option is kinetic energy, B is potential energy, C is solar energy, and D is radiation energy. So right answer is option A, that is kinetic energy. Next question is, if a man is sitting in a sensitive weighing scale, if he takes a deep breath, then the reading of the scale. A option is will increase, B is will decrease, C option is will remain unaffected, and D option is whether it will increase or decrease will depend on the atmosphere. So right answer is option B, that is will decrease. Next question is, walking on ice is more difficult than walking on the road because. A option is ice is harder than road, B is road is harder than ice, C option is when we push with our foot the ice doesn't react, and D option is ice offers less friction than road. So right answer is option D, that is ice offers less friction than road, that's why walking on ice is more difficult than road. Next question is, which of the following quantities is not a vector quantity? A option is displacement, B is velocity, C option is force, and D is volume. So right answer is option D, that is volume, and the remaining three, that is displacement, velocity, force, all are the vector quantities. Okay. Next question is, conservation of energy means that. A option is energy is created and destroyed, B is energy can be created, C option is energy cannot be created but can be destroyed, and last option is energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So right answer is option D, that is conservation of energy means energy can't be created nor be destroyed. Okay. Next question is, which one of the following is a scalar quantity? A option is momentum, B is pressure, C is velocity, and D is work. So right answer is option D, that is work. Here I mentioned the same chart which I provided you earlier. So you can pause and read this also. Okay. So that's it guys. I hope that you love the content. Please video को like जरूर कीजिए. We will meet soon in the next session guys. Till then bye bye and take care.